Namaskaram. Bharatanatyam is the classical dance form from the southern state of Tamil Nadu in India. One of the oldest forms of Indian classical dance, its origin is traced back through the centuries to the temples of ancient India, where it was performed as a ritualistic form of worship. The name Bharatanatyam is explained in two different ways. The first is that the syllables used make the essential elements of this dance. Bha, bhava, mood or emotion. Ra, raga, melody. Ta, talam or rhythm. The second is that the name is also, it came from sage Bharata Muni, who wrote the Natya Shastram, the principles of dance. He wrote a detailed account of the art of dance and theatre. The hand gestures and different stances mentioned in Natya Shastram are still used today. Nritta, Nritya and Natya, the main classifications of Bharatanatyam. In Nritta, sequence of pure dance are featured, highlighting complex rhythmic footwork and creating decorative patterns of movements. In Nritya, the interpretive aspect is emphasized through the combined use of facial expression, hand gestures, and body movements. And in Natya, the above two elements come together in harmony. Bharatanatyam is intricately bound with Hinduism, in particular with Hindu myths and legends. Visually, it is a dynamic style of dance, yet innately graceful. Nila will commence her Arangetram with a Pushpanjali. An invocatory item, Pushpanjali, Pushpa means flower, and offering, a prayer. Anjali means offering or a prayer. Now this is the prelude to a dance recital where the dancer welcomes the audience and seeks the blessings of God, her guru, the orchestra ensemble, and the audience for the success of her Arangetram. This Pushpanjali in Ragam Hamsadwani, Khanta Chapu Talam, is composed by our Mridangist Sri Srinath Bhala specially for today's event and choreographed by Srimati Shobha Subramanian. Pushpanjali.
Bhavami
Shri Mahaganapate, award to Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. As the god of beginnings, he is honored at the start of rituals and ceremonies. Shri Mahaganapate in Ragam Nate, Talam Adi, a composition of Shri Mayuram Vishwanatha Iyer and choreographed by Aishwarya Subramani.
Dom tanana dhere nana dhere nana dom tanana dom tanana dhere nana dom tanana dom tanana dhere nana dom tanana dom tanana dhere nana dom tanana
Shri Mahaganapati Shri Mahaganapati Surapate Shri Mahaganapati Surapate Shri Mahaganapati Surapate Siddhi Vinayaka Namostute Shri Mahaganapati Surapate Siddhi Vinayaka Namostute Shri Mahaganapati Surapate Siddhi Vinayaka Namostute Shri
dom tanana dhere nana dom tanana dom tanana dhere nana dom tanana dom tanana dhere nana dom tanana dom tanana dhere nana dom tanana
ಸೋಮಶೇಖರನುತೆ ಸುಮುಖದಯಾನಿದೆ ಸೋಮಶೇಖರನುತೆ ಸುಮುಖದಯಾನಿದೆ ಸೋಮಶೇಖರನುತೆ ಸುಮುಖದಯಾನಿದೆ ಚಾರಣ ಕರ್ಮ ಸುವರ್ಣವ ಸುಂದರ ಮಾವನ ರೂಪ ಚಿದಾತ್ಮಕ ಶುಭಕರ ಸಾತ್ವ ಸಾನಿ ಪಮ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಗಮ ರೇ ಸಾ ಗಮ ಪನಿ ಪಮ ಗಮ ರೇ ಸರೇ ಸಮ ಗಮ ಪನಿ ಪಸಾನಿ ರೇ ಸರಿ 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 ಪನಿ ಪಮ ಪಮ ಸರೇ ರೇ ಗ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಪಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ರೇ ಸಾನಿ ಪಮ ಗಮ ರೇ ನಿ ಸರಿ ವರಿ ಸರಿ ಸ ಮ ಪನಿ ಸರಿ ಪನಿ ಪ ನಿ ಸರಿ ವರಿ ಸರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿ ಸುರಪತಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿ
The next piece is a Jatiswaram, where pure rhythmic dance consisting of a harmonious blend of jatis, rhythmic syllables, and swaras, musical phrases, come together to create an upbeat and beautiful dance piece. This is a nritta, or a pure dance piece, with movements and patterns that convey no meaning, and showcases a dancer's rhythmic prowess. Jatiswaram in Ragam Vachaspati, Talam Rupakam, a composition of the Tanju Quartet and choreographed by Sri M. Venkatakrishnan.
pa ma ga re sa ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa
ಕಿನ ತೋಂ ತಾರಿತ ಜಂ ತರಿತ ಝಂ ತರಿ ಜಗ ತರಿತೆ ಝಣ ಝಡೆ ಕುಕು ತರೆ ಕುಕು ತರೆ ಕುತಕ ತರೆ ಕು ಝಣ ಝಣ ಕುಕು ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಡಕ ತಕ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತಕ ತೋಂ ಕಡಕ ತಕ ತೋಂ
sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa ni sa re ga ma pa da ni
Shankara Srigiri. In the Chitra Sabha, the hall of paintings, Lord Shiva or Shankara, the god of dance, dances the cosmic dance of divine bliss. Describing his scary appearance, the dancer depicts the holy ash and his third eye that's on his forehead. A garland of skulls adorning his neck as he dances along with Bhringi and the Bhutaganas. Even the sun pales in comparison to Shiva's energy. The celestials and ascetics appear on the sky playing the musical instruments. Even Cupid feels ashamed to be in Shiva's presence. With the perfect melody and laya, he dwells in the heart of Padmanabha, a composition of Maharaja Swati Tirunal and choreographed by the Dhananjayans, Shankara Srigiri in Hamsanandi, Talam Adi.
Shankara Srigiri Natha Prabhu Shankara Srigiri Natha Prabhu Shankara Srigiri Natha Prabhu Shankara Srigiri Natha Prabhu
జను దీం తతక జను దోం తతక జను తత్తజం తాం తతక జను దీం తతక జను దోం తతక జను తత్తజం తాం తతక జను తత్తజం ధీం తతక జను తత్తజం తత్తజం తత్తనం తత్తరం తత్తధీం తాం తతక జను దీం తతక జను దోం తతక జను నం తతక జను తత్తక దోం తాం తత్తక దోం తాం తత్తక దోం తాం बाजे कोट बाण चाको देख की लाजे ताते तकिट किट श्रुति गति राजे पदुमनाभ मन कमल विराजे
As Nila quickly changes into a fresh costume, we would like to use this opportunity to introduce the orchestra members for the evening. On the vocals, we have Guru Srimati Shobha Subramanian. Srimati Shobha Subramanian is an award-winning dancer, teacher, singer, choreographer who has studied Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam under senior gurus of India such as Mrs. Sundari Seshadri, Dhananjayans, Professor C.V. Chandrasekhar, and Kalamandalam Husna Banu. She has toured and performed widely in India, Europe, USA, and Africa. She is a 3-time winner of the Individual Artist Award from the state of Maryland. As dance director of the Jaimangala School of Music and Dance, Shobha has presented more than 30 arangetrams, several dance dramas, and 2 mega dance conferences in Maryland. She holds a graduate degree, MFA in Theatre from Tucson University. Currently, she teaches as an undergraduate course on Indian dance as adjunct faculty at the University of Maryland, Baltimore County. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Guru Srimati Shobha Subramanian.
Accompanying her mother on vocals is Shobha Subramanian's daughter, Aishwarya Subramanian. Aishwarya Subramanian is a fourth-generation Jayamangala artist. Aishwarya has been learning Bharatanatyam and Carnatic music from a very young age from her mother guru and grandmothers respectively. She has participated in music workshops under senior gurus such as Professor T.R. Subramaniam, R. Vedavalli, Sri Narasimhachari, and R. Ramamurthy. In 2008, she completed a solo one-hour concert at the Children's Day Festival at the Durga Temple of Virginia, and a half-hour solo for the Nada Tarangini Festival. She has also performed at the Cleveland Tyagaraja Aradhana, the Swati Thirunal Festival, and the Maryland World Music Showcase. Additionally, she completed her Bharatanatyam Arangetram in June 2010 and toured India to perform Dance with Her Mother in 2014. Aishwarya recently began teaching dance, doing Natuvangam, and singing for Arangetrams in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. She is currently pursuing a degree in psychology and Spanish at the University of Maryland, College Park. Aishwarya Subramanian.
On the Natuvangam, we have Ashwin Krishnan Subramanian. Also known as Aks, he is a composer, producer, and vocalist who composes for video games, interactive media, and devotional albums. A student of Oscar winner A.R. Rahman, Ashwin has scored music for a number of films and albums in India and the United States. He also frequently performs in live shows of his original works internationally, having toured in the US, India, Singapore, and Africa, among other countries. He now works as a composer and audio programmer with various video game companies in the Bay Area. Ashwin is the CEO and founder of Eclipse Nirvana, a record label specializing in producing and promoting world music with South Asian roots. He is best known for his unique style of contemporizing devotional music to make it more accessible for today's audiences. As a trained Bharatanatyam dancer, Ashwin also performs Natuvangam for Jayamangala dance recitals in the DC area. We will also have Ashwin CDs for sale in the lobby during intermission. Please do check them out. Ashwin Krishnan Subramanian.
On Mridangam, we have Srinath Bala. Having been initiated by late Sri Krishnan of the Palgad Sri Mani Iyer style, he received intensive guidance under Sri R. Ramesh of the Karaikodi Mani style and finer tuning under Maestro Umayal Puram K. Sivaraman. To his credit, he has uniquely combined the Kanaku and Nadam aspects, or the math and melody aspects, from various gurus. He has accompanied the topmost senior artists performing in India, Canada, and the United States, and played Jugalbandis and Talavadya concerts to showcase the solo percussion aspects. He has various recordings and has given lecture demonstrations on Layam. In 2006, he presented a Talavadya concert titled Music Through Membranes. Being a recipient of the PG Arts Award at MSAC Artist Awards, he is a very well sought after artist for music and dance concerts. He actively teaches students in India, Canada, and the United States. His passion for music led him to create eSishya.com. He also runs an IT services firm in Bangalore, Srinath Bala.
Mesmerizing us with her beautiful renditions, on the violin, we have Srimati Sandhya Srinath. Sandhya is a genuinely talented artist who showcases her true talent in every bow. A gold medalist and an early A-grade awardee, Sandhya has firmly established the school of late Sri V. Janaki Raman of All India Radio, Delhi. She learnt and skillfully observed the styles of maestros Sri Lalgudi G. Jayaraman and Professor T. N. Krishnan within her. Along with top solo performances worldwide, she has also accompanied many senior musicians and dancers. Some of her coveted awards include the Best Young Violinist from Chennai, India, Individual Award from PG Arts, Maryland, USA, and the Maryland States Arts Council Individual Artist Award. Known for her precise technique and sensitive renditions, she is a very highly sought-after artist in the United States, Canada, and India. She has numerous recordings to her credit, and her versatility has led her to take on instrumental ensembles, jugalbandis with Hindustani artists, and fusion concerts with Western musicians. She actively teaches violin to students worldwide. You can visit sandhyastrings.com to know more about her. Srimati Sandhya Srinath.
On the Veena, we have Preetha Narayanaswamy. She's a disciple of Srimati Kamala Ashwatthama of Chennai. Preetha has over 20 years of experience on the Veena. She has performed in all major sabhas in Chennai, on Doordarshan, on All India Radio Chennai, and in the Spirit of Unity concerts for Universal Integration in India. In the United States, she has performed at the Cleveland Tyagaraja Aradhana, Pittsburgh, New York, Phoenix, the Sri Shiva Vishnu Temple in Maryland, and in the Northern Virginia area. Preetha has won awards from several prestigious musical institutions in Chennai. To name a few, the Music Academy, the Sri Krishna Gana Sabha, and the Narada Gana Sabha. She won scholarships from the Department of Culture of the Government of India and is a graded artiste of All India Radio Chennai. Preetha Narayanaswamy. Now there will be a short musical interlude.
Varnam, or colors as the term suggests, is a centerpiece of a Bharatanatyam repertoire. It has alternating passages of nritta and nritya, and thus provides the dancer with a full scope to display her expertise in both these important elements of Bharatanatyam. Today's Varnam is about the goddess of wisdom, Saraswati, seated on a white lotus. She holds the veena, a stringed instrument, and books in her hand. Nila will elaborate the story of the illiterate woodcutter who marries the princess Vidyotama by debating with meaningless gestures. When she comes to know of his illiteracy, she leaves him. Dejected, he prays to goddess Saraswati and miraculously becomes a prolific poet overnight, and later he came to be known as Kavi Kalidasa. Varnam in Ragam Hindolam, Talam Adi, composed by Srimati Rajalakshmi Krishnan of Jayamangala and choreographed by Srimati Shobha Subramanian. Ladies and gentlemen, Varnam will be followed by a 15-minute intermission. During that break, you may help yourselves to refreshments out in the lobby. The artists for this evening will come out and meet you all out in the lobby after the show. Please do not come backstage. Thank you.
Kutakata dingida tom cham ta gum ta puk kunda ri kita ta ka ta kun da ri kun da ko kun da kita ta ka ta ri kita cham ta gum ta puk kunda ri kita ta ka ta kun da ri kun da ko kun da kita ta kita cham ta gum ta kukunda re kita takka ta kunda re kunda go kunda kita takka ta kita cham ta gum ta kukunda re kita takka ta kunda re kunda go kunda kita takka ta cham ta gum ta kukunda re kita takka ta kunda ತರಿ ತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ನಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ರಂ ತರಿ ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ದಿಗು ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ರಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ನಂ ತರಿ ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ದಿಗು ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ನಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ರಂ ತರಿ ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ತಕ ದಿಗು ತದಿಗಿನ ತೋಂ ಕುತಕತೆ ಕುತಕ ತದಿ ಗಿಡ ತೊಂ ತಾಗು ಛೇ ಕುತಕ ಛೇ ಕು ಝಣ ಕುತಕ ಝಣ ಕು ಗಿಡ ಕುತಕ ಗಿಡ ಕು ಝಣ ಕುತಕ ತಜಂ 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 ತಕ ತಾ ತಡಂ ತಕ ತಾ ತಧಿಮಿ ತಕ ತಾ ಕು ಛೇ ಕುತಕ ಛೇ ಕು ಝಣ ಕುತಕ ಝಣ ಕು ಗಿಡ ಕುತಕ ಗಿಡ ಕು ಝಣ ಕುತಕ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ತಾ ತಜಂ ತಕ ತಾ ತಡಂ ತಕ ತಾ ತಧಿಮಿ ತಕ ತಾ ಕು ಛೇ ಕುತಕ ತಾ ಛೇ ಕು ಝಣ ಕುತಕ ತಾ ಝಣ ಕು ಗಿಡ ಕುತಕ ತಾ ಗಿಡ ಕು ಝಣ ಕುತಕ ತಾ ಛೇ ಕುತ ಛೇ ಕುತಕ ಛೇ ಕುತ ಗಿಡ ಛೇ ಕು ಛೇ ಕುತ ದಿಗಿಡ ಸೋತಾ ಛೇ ಕುತ ದಿಗಿಡ ಸೋತಾ ಛೇ ಕುತ ದಿಗಿಡ ಸೋತಾ ಛೇ ಕುತ ಛೇ ಕುತಕ ಛೇ ಕುತ ಗಿಡ ಛೇ ಕು ಛೇ ಕುತ ದೀಂ ಗಿಡ ಸೋಂ ಛೇ ಕುತ ದೀಂ ಗಿಡ ಸೋಂ ಛೇ ಕುತ ದೀಂ ಗಿಡ ಸೋಂ ಛೇ ಕುತ ಛೇ ಕುತಕ ಛೇ ಕುತ ಗಿಡ ಛೇ ಕು ಛೇ ಕುತ ದೀಂ ಗಿಡ ಸೋಂ ಛೇ ಕುತ ದೀಂ ಗಿಡ ಸೋಂ ಛೇ ಕುತ ದೀಂ ಗಿಡ ಸೋಂ
കാമ്പികെ ദേവി നീയേ കൊല്ലൂരിലും കൊടുങ്ങല്ലൂരിലും കാമ്പികെ ദേവി നീയേ ഹേമാംബികേ വിദ്യാപ്രദായികേ ജ്ഞാനപ്രദായികേ നീയേ ഹേമാംബികേ വിദ്യാപ്രദായികേ ജ്ഞാനപ്രദായികേ നീയേ കൊല്ലൂരിലും കൊടുങ്ങല്ലൂരിലും കാമ്പികെ ദേവി നീയേ ഹേമാംബികേ വിദ്യാപ്രദായികേ ജ്ഞാനപ്രദായികേ നീയേ കലൈവാണി படித்திருந்த